Have you ever walked into a room and been instantly drawn to someone? They just have this presence. Today, we're diving into the psychology of charisma to uncover the secrets of instantly likable people. The most charismatic people aren't necessarily the loudest, most successful, or even the best looking in the room. They simply possess instantly likable traits and habits. Let's decode the psychology of attraction. What are those special traits that make someone so magnetic? First, it's all about authenticity. People can spot a fake a mile away. When you are genuinely yourself, you radiate a warmth and confidence that draws people in. Think about the most charismatic person you know. They embrace their quirks and aren't afraid to let their true selves shine. Second, charismatic people are masters of connection. They have this incredible ability to make you feel like you're the only person in the room. How do they do it? Active listening. They're not just waiting for their turn to speak, they're truly present, hanging on to your every word. Third, it's all about energy. Have you ever noticed how charismatic people seem to radiate positive energy? They bring a certain vibrancy to conversations and interactions. Enthusiasm is their secret weapon. Now, let's dive into some fascinating psychological tricks that can instantly make you more likable. One powerful trick is the power of the soft gaze. Intense eye contact can feel intimidating, but a soft gaze, where you focus on the triangle between the other person's eyes and forehead, conveys warmth and approachability. Next, master the art of mirroring. Subtly mirroring the other person's body language, tone of voice, and even energy level can create an instant connection. It's a subconscious way of saying, we're on the same wavelength. Another powerful tool is validation. Everyone wants to feel heard and understood. When you validate someone's feelings and opinions, even if you don't necessarily agree, you show empathy and respect. Charisma is about more than just first impressions. It's about cultivating strong social skills that make people want to be around you. Let's explore some practical tips to enhance your social game. First, become a master conversationalist. Ditch the small talk and dive into meaningful topics. Ask open-ended questions that encourage people to share their stories and passions. What are you most excited about right now? Or what's a project you're really proud of? Are great conversation starters. Second, practice active listening. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and truly focus on what the other person is saying. Use verbal cues like, "That's fascinating," or "Tell me more about that," to show that you're engaged and interested. Third, be generous with your compliments. Genuine compliments go a long way in making someone feel valued and appreciated. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and to be sensitive to the emotions of others. It's a critical component of charisma because it allows you to connect with people on a deeper level. First, practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your own emotions and how they affect your behavior. Understanding your own emotional triggers can help you stay composed and manage your reactions in social situations. Second, develop your empathy muscles. Try to see things from other people's perspectives, even if you don't agree with them. Practice active listening and try to understand the emotions behind their words. Third, master the art of emotional regulation. We all experience negative emotions, but it's important to express them in a healthy and constructive way. Learn techniques to manage stress, anxiety, and anger, so you can stay present and engaged in social situations. While true charisma is about much more than just first impressions, there are some powerful techniques you can use to make yourself instantly likable from the get-go. First, master the art of the warm greeting. Make eye contact, offer a genuine smile, and use a firm handshake, or an appropriate gesture for your culture. Project openness and approachability with your body language. Second, find common ground. People are naturally drawn to those they perceive as similar to themselves. Look for shared interests, experiences, or values that you can connect over. Third, be genuinely interested in others. Ask questions, listen attentively, and show that you care about what they have to say. People can tell when you're genuinely interested in them versus just waiting for your turn to speak. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets to charisma and likability. Remember, becoming more charismatic is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Start implementing these practical tips in your interactions and watch your charisma soar. Practice makes progress, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on personal development and social skills.